What was unique about this festival was that we had two fascinating challenges, two data sets that students could work with. One very rich data set on municipal level data in Germany, and one with fascinating but also shocking data from the Arolsen archives on Holocaust victims. Great to see that people from so many places come together, also with different backgrounds, and then start working on a challenge for 48 hours straight.
Everyone is really motivated to make the most out of it, but also just to have fun and participate and get to know new people.
We could talk to each other and connect a bit more with the other groups without the tension of the competition anymore. It was very nice also to meet new people and go a bit outside of the bubble.
Everyone had really good ideas. Like, we're grateful we did good, but seeing everyone else perform as well was amazing. There were so many good ideas.
As a judge on the jury, it was fascinating to see the breadth of contributions they made. A lot of difficulty in the jury to decide on whom to give prizes, but so many great applications came out of this. So ultimately we decided to split some prizes to keep this fair, really.